Hello future traders, and I welcome you to our channel. In the last video, I have made you a promise that in the next segment, I'm definitely going to make a video on technical analysis. So friends, I fulfilled my promise and here I am with a new segment of basics of technical analysis. So friends, I am Saurav and let's get start with it. So friends, technical analysis is basically a mixture of science and art. Now you must be thinking why it is so. So friends, let me give you a small example. Friends, as you know, in physics, whenever we read physics, what we learn? We learn that when you drop an apple, it will go down. Alright? And what we learn in arts, we learn about green, red, black, white, orange, and all these colors. So this is all about technical analysis. And why it is a science? Because it always measures the present price movement with the base of past price movement and current demand supply. So this is how it is a science and an art. Technical analysis is basically very easy and it can be done by anybody. Like you have just started, you just want to start your trading in stock market. So it can be done by you, and yes, this is my promise, and you will going to earn a lot of profit just in simple ways. If you learn the strategy behind the technical analysis. So let's understand that what are the basics and what can you more understand about these topics, because if you once understand this, there is no looking back just for you. See friends, there are some traders who will going to tell you that start doing fundamental and quant analysis because it will going to give you a lot of profit. See friends, I know I can understand the market. I can understand the market a lot better than most of the people. So friends, it's like that. There are some traders, there are some professional traders, there are some old traders who are doing fundamental and quant analysis, and yes, they are making fortune in million and they are making them profits a lot. So but there is an issue, there is a thing. It can work for them because they are professional traders. But as far as you have just started trading, you are looking for an platform, you are looking for your fortune to create in stock market. So if you are a first timer and like you don't have that knowledge about stock market, so I'm not going to advise that you start trading like fundamental and in quant analysis. So here's the thing, here's a very easy thing. Just start. At least just give your 2 or 3 months to technical analysis, and yes, if the magic doesn't happen, so I will take my word back and do whatever you feel like, but just give it 2 or 3 months, and yes, magic will happen, and I'm very much sure about that. Just start trading with technical analysis, and yes, it will going to give you your monthly secure returns very easily. So let's get down and let's understand more about the topic. So friends, the moment you start analyzing and understanding the technical analysis and you start analyzing the stock market, it will going to give you a boost that I should invest at least 1 lakh, 2 lakh or 5 lakh in stock market. But friends, don't be in such hurry. If you have just started, start trading with minimal amount. Start investing minimal amount in your stock market trading, and yes friends, with some time, with at least 2 or 3 months, I'm definitely sure that you will going to earn a lot of profit, because stock market is all about learning. The more you will learn, the more profit you will going to earn in your future, and that is what I'm talking about. So friends, now let's understand the topic. Okay, let's start with what is chart and what is a candlesticks. Friends, it is all about bullish and bearish. The moment you understand bullish and bearish, you will understand the chart very well. So let's go down to the chart and let's understand what is there for you. So friends, as you can see, this is a chart. This is basically an HDFC's chart. All right, here you can see the x-axis and y-axis. X-axis is basically showing the years, like in how many years the market is going uptrend or downtrend and all right. And in the y-axis, you can see the price, like how in the years the market has changed, like from the price it's going up, sometimes it's going down. So this is how you can spot these things in like x-axis and in y-axis. And in the middle you can spot some boxes, basically the black boxes and the white boxes. So friends, black boxes are basically your black candles, all right, and the white boxes are basically your white candles, all right. So what do you understand with this? Basically they are showing the bearish approach as well as the bullish approach. The black candles are basically showing the bearish market, and the white candles are basically showing the bullish market. All right. So now let's understand that how it will going to affect your trading in a very long run, because it will going to give you a strategy, a plan that how you will improve your trading for a long run. In some other softwares, like if you are using investing.com, you can see the black candles are given as red candles, all right, and the white candles are given as green candles. I think I'm clear, all right. So friends, this is how you will going to spot the candles. See, black and red candles, they are the bearish candles. They are basically showing the bearish market. Basically the market is falling, the market is going downtrend, all right. And the white and green candles are basically showing the bullish approach, the bullish market. Basically the market is going uptrend. I think I'm clear. So friends, just take an example. Just take a very small example. You bought a share of 100 and it goes up and it closes at 110. So that candle will be represented as green or white candle. Why? Because the candle, that time the market was a bullish market, because the share rate, the rate of the shares gone up. So that's why we are calling it a bullish market. And take one more example. Suppose you bought a share of 100, all right, and it goes down and it closes at 90. So what will be that market and how it will be going to represented as? It will be represented as in black and red candle, all right, and it will be a bearish market. Why? Because the market is going downtrend, market is falling. So we will going to represent it as in black and red candle. So friends, now let's get back to the chart and now let's understand how these bodies work. So friends, you can see a black candle and a white candle, basically the red candles as well as the green candles. Those are basically known as the bodies of those candles. And in the above candle and in the below, you can see some wicks. Basically you will see some lines. Those are known as wicks. So just suppose, just take an example. Here it is in black candle and it opens at 100 and it closes down at 90. So the below line, so the below wick is showing the 85 and the upper wick and the upper portion is showing 115. So what it will be? It is basically showing the OHCL, means open, high, close and low. And let's take one more example. Suppose you bought a share of 100. It goes up to 110 and the upper wicks close down at 115 and the lower wicks close down at 95. So what it will going to show us? It will going to show us the weekly candle or the monthly candle or the daily candle. So when it was open, when it was high, when it was closed and when it was low. So this is how we are going to understand the market in a very particular way and with a very good strategy. So friends, now let's talk about what is a time frame and why it is so important in stock market. See friends, this is a tab in which you can see W, M and D. See, W is basically weekly, D is basically daily and M is basically monthly. So friends, don't get confused that why I am showing you this tab. Friends, it's very important for you. If you want to start trading in stock market, it is very important for you. Like suppose, just let me give you a very good example. Suppose market starts at 9:15 a.m. and it closes on the same day at 3:30 p.m. So how we will going to represent it? We will going to represent it as the daily, like a daily candle. All right. Suppose, just take an example. The market starts at Monday 9:15 a.m. and it closes at 3:30 p.m. on Friday. All right. So it will going to show us the weekly performance of that specific market. All right. Like all the transaction, all the buying and selling, all the trade that has happened on that particular week. All right. So let's go down to the monthly way. Suppose on the first of each and every month, the market begins. Market opens at 9:15 a.m. and closes on the last day of 3:30 p.m. All right. So what it will going to show us? It will going to show us the weekly performance of that particular market and of a particular stock. So this is how, and that is how this market and these time frames are so very easy and so very important for you to understand the market in a very long run, because it will going to give you a strategy. And that is what I'm talking about in technical analysis. Strategy is something which we need, which we want in a prior basis to last long in the stock market, because it's a competitive market, constant ups and downs, and we will going to make our fortune in stock market. You want to start trading and you have something in your mind, like you want to invest, or you want to start positional trading, or you want to start swing trading, or you want to start intra trading. So for all these four aspects, you need to understand the different varieties of charts. Like suppose, just take an example. You start trading at monthly basis. Suppose on the first day of the month and on the last day of the month, you start trading. You are basically doing a investment trading, and it will going to last long for 1 or 2 years, one or basically more than 1 year. All right. So let's get down to the weekly charts. Suppose you want to start trading and you are trading in a weekly chart. All right. So it is basically what? It is basically an positional trading. All right. And it will go down to more than 1 month to 3 months. All right. So let's get down to daily chart. It's basically, suppose the market starts at 9:15 a.m. and it closes down at 3:30 p.m. So it will be known as a swing trading, and you will going to do it for like 3 to 10 days or maximum 3 to 15 days. All right. So let's understand more about that. Suppose there is a weekly chart of 1 to 60 minutes and you will do a intraday trading, and it will last long for 1 or 2 days. So it is very important to understand the charts in a weekly, daily, monthly time frames. Now you must be thinking that these concepts are so easy and I can start trading in a very professional way. Friends, just relax. Just take some time. Just understand the ways. Just understand the strategies, what I'm trying to teach you. Why? Because it will going to help you for your long run in stock market. All right. So just give yourself some time and start learning. Start learning the strategies, because yes, as I have told you earlier, it will going to help you. And for any help, I'm always here for you. Always. All right. So now let's understand more about these technical analysis. Friends, there are some tools, there are some indicators. First, the name of the tools and indicators are so difficult. What happens, a initial trader, a new trader start getting fears. He start getting afraid of those words. Friends, it's nothing. It's really nothing. It's very easy concepts. Like there will be some words given as stochastics, moving average, Bollinger Bands, RSI, and all these things. Friends, don't get scared, because I'm here. We are going to make our fortune in stock market. So don't get scared with these words and with these tools and indicators. Just understand that why these things are given, and just understand the basics, that how we can use these indicators for our trading, for our future tradings. So friends, this is the last part of our video. And friends, as I have promised, I will make a video on technical analysis, and I have fulfilled the promise. So now it's your time. Now it's your time. Start subscribing to our channel. Tell your friends, start subscribing. Like our content, share our content, and yes, just be tuned to our more videos, because I have just started. We have just started this channel just for you. So be here, understand the market, take some experience with the market, understand it, analyze the market, and I'm very sure, and I'm damn very sure that it will going to work for you. And yes, apply these strategies whenever you are free. Just start learning, because as I always say, stock market is a deep ocean of secret. The more you go deep, the more secrets you will going to explore, and the more beauties you will going to explore about stock market. So stock market just require two things: trust your instincts and just be disciplined while doing your trading, because it will going to give you money, and discipline is very important for trading. So friends, here I am finishing the video, and yes, in the next segment I'm going to tell you about how you will invest, how you will start selecting the stocks, basically stock selection. So stay tuned to our channel, and I will be back with some more videos. Thank you. So friends, if you want to explore the world of stock market, then friends, link to our courses are given in the description box. Enroll yourself. Start learning the strategy of stock market. After all, it's all about making your fortune in stock market.